a rock.
Yeah.
Some rock.
Yeah. All right, get ready. Full stream.
We're actually
Full
heading
head.
right for the rock.
Full ahead. Full ahead. Full ahead. Come on. Full ahead. All right, now ease. Stay out of that. That'll suck us in. All right. Full ahead. Left. On the right. Full ahead. Full steam ahead. Full steam ahead. Yeah. Woo! Don't stop. On the left. Go.
Yep. Carve
left side.
Left turn. Left turn.
Harder on the left. No, no.
Left turn, bro. Put
Paddle,
down,
paddle
down.
left. Sorry. Paddle left. On the right. Full power. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
We're good.
Full ahead. Oh no.
High side. Hey, we gotta jump forward. You guys stay.
Yeah, don't move.
You and I gotta move forward.
Yeah. And now to the back. Immediately to the back. Lean back. Lean back.
We're going backwards. High side. High side. How do we keep taking the worst route?
I don't know, because we had too much momentum.
Hey, we're split too much between the front and back. Yeah.
Paddle on the right.
Yeah, no, it was fine. We even got a little wet like you should have. Yeah, hell yeah. With
Pull over on the left.
and shit. Yeah. We did good.
You want to let these guys pass?
Yeah, let them pass. Go left. Hard right. Everybody on the right paddle. Right side paddle.
Hey, let them pass.
Yeah. All right, spin around and give her full thrust forward. Full thrust forward.
All we gotta do is, hey, carve yours.
Yeah.
We were gonna try to let.
We're gonna let them go past. You guys want to go first?
They're gonna wind up catching up to us.